All right, this is day 6 going on day 7. The MicroGreen Experiment. I have 2 growing flats here on the Riverponics growing system. This one here is soil, and this is the soilless mix I came up with, doing some zesty mixed microgreens. And this is, we're 6-7 days in now. And this is the results so far. Both trays are doing well. There's a few bare spots in there, but I don't know if that's from my negligence or what, you know, but this is all self-watering too, so I'm not adding water to this. I did initially, after I planted the seeds, to prime the wicks. But this is the this is 6-7 days in, and we're doing just good. I'm using Hidden Harvest grow lights. Spin that around, you can see. Hidden Harvest grow lights. I got 2 of them. Each board here is 36 watts. They're LED full spectrum. All right, thanks for tuning in. See ya.